welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's your girl Pam here. Make sure you subscribe down below. So I did the half up half down hairstyle, and I'm just gonna show you how easy it was for me. So first I'm just gonna start sectioning my hair into two halves, starting from the corner of my ear to the other corner of my ear. So what I'm gonna be doing is doing some cornrows at the back of my hair, just simple cornrows. They don't have to be straight. So if you can't do like cornrows, you might as well just do some bantu knots at the back. You still get to achieve the same hairstyle because it is very simple, and you just want some slay for a few hours. I mean, you don't have much time to do, so you might as well just do some bantu knots and just do what you can. You know what I'm saying? So I fixed up the hair like you see at the back so that nothing is coming out. So you guys, this is the hair that I'm gonna be using. It's some spring twist hair, and it is on the hanger because I washed it and I was smelling it here. I washed it with some apple cider vinegar just to remove whatever chemicals are in there, because if I don't, then my scalp is always itchy. So that is just something that I learned, and I'm just gonna go ahead and start crocheting the extension on my natural hair like so. Just the regular crochet method, nothing fancy, nothing has changed. You know what I'm saying? When doing this hairstyle, you want to make sure your crown has full hair. Like, you want to put some more hair on there, and this is the back right now. So getting into the front part of my hair, I just moisturized my hair with some water and then combed with a hairbrush, and then I'm just gonna add some olive oil eco styling gel and just put it all over my edges because that is where I want my hair laid more. And then I'm just gonna go ahead and make sure that the gel is getting in there so that my hair is slicked down. You know what I'm saying? So you want to make sure you don't have your makeup on. Like, it's just preference, but I had my makeup on, but it's gonna get messy, so you don't want your face to have like gel or whatever the situation might be. So I'm just gonna put that hair into a ponytail, and I'm just gonna put the hair away by making a small twist up there and securing that with a bobby pin. Yes, so you're gonna be needing a ponytail. You can use any ponytail of your choice, but you're gonna put the hair like so, like the way we do when we're making a baby tutu. And at the end of the process, this is how the hair is supposed to look. And I'm just gonna try like to stretch the hair, and I ended up using like a white tooth comb so that I stretch the curls a little bit more. You're gonna see what I'm talking about just in a little bit. But if you guys want a special tutorial on how I do and achieve this extra hair, please let me know in the comment section below, and then I'll get into making a tutorial for you guys. So this is how I stretched the hair a little bit more because I really wanted a full hair, and I just used a wide tooth comb, just kind of like stretch the hair but not like fully combing the hair so that you don't take out all the curls. You want to make sure the curls are in there because that is the style that we're going for. So you want to go slowly and kind of like stretch a little bit, and these curls are just amazing because they pop right back and it's not like they get messy at all. So I'm just gonna put that extra hair on top of the little twists bun that I did up there, and then secure it like so. So for extra security of your ponytail, you can put some bobby pins. You can just use whatever you feel like is help you not to have your hair move around. and then I just secured that and made I took a little bit of hair and just secured everything like so, just put it back and forth, and then just, you know, securing the hair. And then I just took my Tresemme mousse just to have my curls in place and not have the hair move around, you know, just making sure that the flyaways are in place, they're not going anywhere, and the hair looks perfect. And yeah, this is probably just it, and this is the final look, guys. I loved the turnout, it is so beautiful. I loved it, loved it, loved it. So this is the final look. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you did, please let me know in the comment section below. Comment, share, like, and thank you so much for watching. I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.